Hey, what? Why are you spicy today? You're spicy. So spicy, so spicy. I'm putting you on the news. I'm putting you on the news for being spicy. Crazy. Need air traffic control up here.
She says, now I won't be spicy. No, she still wants to be spicy.
Hey, come here. Grumpy. She grumpy. Hi, Bonnie. Hi, Clyde. How you guys doing? Oh, my goodness. Rosemary's calling them. Rosemary keeps calling Bonnie and Clyde. It's so adorable. She wants to be friends with them so bad. She calls them all the time. What are you guys doing? Huh? Oh, look. There's a mob of guineas right there. Up to no good. Up to no good, I'm sure. Actually, they're being pretty innocent right now. They're probably just plotting their next insanity. That's what you should call a group of guineas, is just an insanity of guineas. So who we got over here? We got Sage and Bonnie and Clyde getting some most delicious bugs in the mud puddle. Clean, fresh water. I'm actually washing the water bowls right now. Mud puddle. You hanging out with them, Sage? What's up, Cheeks? How you doing, pretty girl? How you doing, beautiful? Hey, Barbie. Hey, Barbie chicken. Oh, the most beautiful chicken lady. Girl, you need to work on growing out them tail feathers. Just saying. Just saying. These two are so adorable. They're like fresh bugs. The best thing is fresh bugs. Sage knows where the fresh water is. I saw you getting that water. This crazy bird. Oh, look, an emu. Hey, Rona. That's not Rona, that's Sam. Hey, Sam. Sam. How you doing, lady? Looking good. Looking good, Sam. She's like, why don't you get your butt down here and give me my breakfast? You probably got food in your bowl. Always lugging a whole pail of food down there, and you got food from the last day. What's up, Quackaducks? What's up, Quackamack Ducks? Everything is so peaceful when the geese aren't out yet. First thing in the day, all of the critters come over here where the geese usually hang out and get all the delicious bugs. And then we release all the geese and chaos ensues. What's up, Sage? Oh, you're talking to Rosemary over there? Hey, Rosemary. She's like, I'm gonna make sure I get all these bugs. It's funny, she sees every little bug, man. Every last bug. See, these two are best friends. Best friends. What's up, Trouble? How you doing? How you doing? Handsome. My beautiful boy. Hey. Looking good, Holiday. Looking good, Holiday. Yes, sir. How we doing? How we doing? Look at you all poofed out. Look at you all poofed out. You're looking good, baby. You got some beautiful feathers. Look at them feathers. Oh my goodness, them feathers. Those are such beautiful feathers, Holiday. Ain't he magnificent? Look at this. Beautiful feathers. He's like, keep your hands off the feathers, human. Oh yeah. You show it, boy. You looking good, Holiday. Looking good, my guy. So my brother-in-law and his kids came by last week and cleared this area near the barn out, around the barn, and he graded it down and then cleared out all of that. And then cleared, I know it looks like a heap of junk right there, because it is. That's a bunch of metal that'll go to scrap. But all of this area got pushed back, and it's obviously not done. Still needs some work, but we got a lot of rain, so it kind of put a damper on the work. But this is the progress on trying to reclaim this barn that got overgrown over the last 10 years and try to make some use of it for the sanctuary. Probably gonna have to redo the whole outside, but the bones are good. The framing and all of it is really good. It just needs new doors and a new exterior. But yeah, some point down the line, we'll be able to reclaim that. And this is the first step in doing that. Looks good. Pulling all this dirt down, grading this dirt down will help keep the water away from the barn. And we will continue to make improvements on that as time allows. What's going on, Lil Miss Peach? Huh? Are you hanging out with the giants? All these giants? How come you're not hanging out with some quackaducks? You know, Bonnie and Clyde, they're nice to you and they like you. You should go find Bonnie and Clyde and go hang out with them. They could teach you how to be a duck. And Rosemary was also very nice to you. I know Sage was kind of rude, but Rosemary's nice. You should go find Rosemary and hang out with her. I don't think these guys are going to be any help at all. They are the giants. The big scary. They are the big scary. You were so adorable. You're a little cutie. Little cutie pie. Look at her cleaning up. Look at her cleaning them feathers. Little Miss Peach. Oh yeah. So cute. It's hard to believe she's only 5 weeks old. Lady. Hey, 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 I'm putting you on the news. You're on the news. Hey, you're so grumpy. So grumpy. So grumpy. You're grumpy. Why are you grumpy? Huh? What's with the attitude, huh? What's with the attitude today, Miss Turkey Lurkey? Miss Turkey Lurkey? What is the attitude? Look at her. She just looks grumpy. Hey. Hey. What? Oh, you heard. Oh, you heard. Mom's got the snacks over there. She heard it.
You out of luck.
Uh-oh, Mom said you out of luck.
You missed the boat. This is from Picasso.
Uh-oh. I don't know, she was being spicy with me. So grumpy you are. So grumpy you be. I don't know why I don't know why you're so grumpy. Ow! So spicy. Such a spicy old girl. She's old girl too. She's like 12 years old. Hey. Okay, you had enough? She's like, keep your dirty, filthy human hands off of me. Grumpy. Grumpy. So, would you gonna peck it? You are gonna peck it. That's not nice. That's not nice. That's not very nice, you know. Oh, you pecking it. You pecking it. It's so grumpy. Gonna peck it? That's not very nice. It's not very nice, Miss Turkey Lurkey. She is a crotchety old girl. She's the boss of the yard. Top of the pecking order. Top of the pecking order. I think she's been hanging out with them guinea fowl too much. That's what the problem is. Look, she gonna peck him on the head. Grumpy. So grumpy. Lil Miss Peach is snoozing. Over here in the land of the giants. I don't know why you're not off with them other ducks. Learning how to duck. You gotta learn how to duck. These guys don't know nothing about it. You're hanging out with the wrong crowd. You're trying to get that butterfly. That butterfly didn't do nothing to you. She's like, that thing is a worm with wings, man. It's delicious. Oh, you're cute. You are the cute one. Oh, yeah. Lil Miss Peach. Lil Miss Peach. Hanging out with all these giant goobers. Yeah, we're talking about you, you goobers. Alright, well, this is the time where I'm going to take to say thank you to our patrons who support us every month with a monthly donation over on Patreon. Their support helps us buy food and straw, provide veterinary care for all these critters. They do get early access to some of our videos, and sometimes we even post patron exclusives over there. If you'd like to join our Patreon and help support the work we do here, you can do so right at the link at the end of this video. We also put the links in the description of the video. You can join for as little as $1 a month, and that dollar helps us take care of all the critters here on the sanctuary. We are a 501c3 nonprofit organization, and we really appreciate all your support. Yeah. Ain't she adorable? She's doing good. Our Patreon members are the ones that make it so that we can actually take on and help new animals like Peach here, because we had been closed to new intakes, but having the support of our patrons makes it so that we can afford to feed new critters like Peach here. Because she had nowhere else to go. We were a last resort for her. And we're glad we could help her out. So thank you to our patrons. Plus, we got these crazies we got to deal with too. Look at you crazy birds. Guinea birds. These guys are pretty neat. They are crazy though. Trying to get Peach to hang out with Bonnie and Clyde more. Bonnie seems very open to welcoming Peach. And Peach is just not sure. And Clyde is kind of indifferent, I think. I think he just wants to hang out with Bonnie. Look, see, Bonnie's coming back up to say hi. And Clyde's like, oh, well, okay, I guess we're doing this again. Stay away, you filthy guinea fowl. Clyde, that's not very nice. That's not very nice, Clyde. You're so jealous. You're so jealous. You're being kind of a jerk, Clyde. Just saying. Poor little Peach needs a buddy. That's alright. She just needs to get out here and get established, and she'll find a friend. My money's on Rosemary. Rosemary seems to want to take her under her wing and take care of her. Oh, Miss Peach, you're so cute you are. You're so cute you are. Here come the bachelors. Looking good, boys. Hi, Dos. Hi, Dos. You just keep on walking, bro. No ladies for you. No ladies for you, sir.
You know where the snacks be. Go get them. He's like, them bowls are
So
empty. I can
that's
tell.
Bert and Ernie, and then this is Puddles. Puddles is Waddles' brother. But we put those three together, and they're doing really well together. Oh, you are handsome. You are gorgeous. We know.
They don't have any snacks.
You are the most handsome man. Yes, we know it. We know you are the handsome guy. Yes, sir. We know. Beautiful boy. Hey, Mr. Big Bird. Mr. Big Bird, aren't you just a handsome rooster? Look at how nice he is. He just sits here for me. You're so handsome. Such a good-looking boy. He's got a really cool comb. You're so handsome. Are you ready to get your breakfast? I got breakfast down here for you. Come on. There you go. Look, I'll give them snacks to you, Big Bird. He's like, oh yeah, I got them snacks too. Are you singing to your snacks? He's like, I'm calling me some ladies. Try to get some ladies to come over here. He's a pretty bird. He's a shelter rooster. He came from the animal shelter. I don't know why anyone would give him up. He's beautiful and he's really nice too. He's super friendly. He's like the perfect rooster. How's it going, handsome? How's it going, handsome? My beautiful boy. You giving me a hug? Is this a hug? Are we snuggling? I love you, Rudy. Yes. You are a beautiful bird. Gorgeous. This is the nicest rooster. Yes, the nicest rooster. Him so nice him is. Yes. You smell good. You're clean. You're a clean bird. Yes. Yes, a beautiful boy. Yes, sir. And this is a gorgeous bird, y'all. Look at that. He's a big rooster, too. He's the second biggest rooster here. He's a Rhode Island Red. I've always had really good luck with the Rhode Island Reds. I've had, I think, 3 total, including Rudy, and they've all been very friendly. Rhode Island Red roosters, anyway. I mean, the hens are great, too. I'm just saying, as far as roosters go, I have found the Rhode Island Reds to be very nice birds. Aren't you? Aren't you a gorgeous boy? You're so handsome, Rudy. There you go, bud. You get those snacks. The most delicious snacks. He's like, these are the most delicious snacks. They taste even better when they're mixed with dirt. You're so crazy. You're so crazy. Rudy. Rudy. Such a beautiful bird. I see you, goobas. I see you, goobas. I see you, India. Beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. I'll get him all excited. I go, hi, Friendly. Hi, Friendly. Hi, Friendly. Good morning, Friendly. Good morning, Friendly. Oh, good morning, Friendly. Good morning. How are you, sir? How are you, sir? Looking good, looking good. You coming out, huh? Come here. Come on. Looking good, Mr. Friendly Pants. Here, look, check that out. Check that out. I give you the snacks, Friendly. I give you the snacks, Friendly. Friendly's a nice bird, too. He's very pretty. I love his golden feathers. Yes, sir. You're not sneaking out. No, this is not Friendly's day out. This is not Friendly's day out. No, sir. He's like, I'll eat these snacks then. He has very big waddles. His waddles are really big. You got big waddles, man. Yes. He's like, keep your hands off the merchandise, human. Like, I'm gonna eat this food here. He's like, stop harassing me. I'm eating my breakfast. He's a good boy. Look at these 2 knuckleheads. Rudy has his whole yard. And he's got to come over here and start crap with Foghorn. Poor Foghorn. And that's why we can't put all the roosters together, because they just fight all the time. And they fight because there's hens around. If we didn't have any hens on the property, it'd be fine. What couple of knuckleheads? Rudy, you're being a knucklehead. You need to go find someone else. Go find someone else to pester, Rudy. Come here. Go. Here. That's right. I put you in the water because you're being a knucklehead. Let's go. Knucklehead. Come on, let's go. That's right. Don't you crow at me. You go find somebody else to pester. Foghorn's too old to be putting up with your bull crap. He's too old for your crap. Cookie, somebody stole your food, bro. Look at that. Somebody stole up all your food, man. We got to get you some new food. Poor Cookie. But he only got one leg, y'all. For those that have never seen him before. My one-legged rooster. My one-legged rooster. He's a good boy. Cookie, you a good boy? He's like, yes, I am a nice guy. You tell him, Cookie. You tell him, you handsome guy. Mom just gave you some extra snacks. You got the extra snacks. Those are some happy rooster noises. They're such a good boy. Such a good boy, Cookie Monster. Yeah, that mama's in there cleaning everything up, getting your pen ready for you. So you're too little to stay out with the bigs right now. Yes, you're too little. You can just go out for the visits, supervised visits. But in about a week, look at her, she's fully feathering out. About a week, I think, you'll be ready to stay out with the bigs. Because you'll be a big. You're getting so big. Every day. I can't believe how big you are. You were just this little golf ball like a month ago. That's it. And now you're this big duck. Getting some beautiful feathers, Miss Peach. Yes, you are getting the beautiful feathers. Oh yeah. Precious. You are the precious. Yeah. You ready to go inside? Is this the end of the vlog for the day? This is the end of the vlog? Yeah, Miss Peach? Yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Yes, the human has to go in and do the day job. It's so beautiful. So beautiful you be. So precious. Such a cute little duck. You doing the nibbles? Are you doing the nibbles? Okay. See y'all on the next one.